Programming your 2019-2021 GMC Sierra key fob, a DIY guide. Want to program a new key fob for your 2019-2021 GMC Sierra? It's a straightforward process you can do at home. These Sierras use GM's passive entry system, communicating via radio frequency. While newer models have digital keys, these rely on a simple mechanical process. This allows you to add or pair remotes yourself, saving on dealership costs. The process involves putting your vehicle into Learn mode to pair the new fob with the car's body control module, BCM. First, grab a genuine GM key fob. These are available from dealers and ensure proper security and compatibility. Get in your Sierra and turn the ignition to the on-run position without starting the engine. Simultaneously, press and hold the unlock and lock buttons on the new fob for 10 to 15 seconds. Cycle the ignition from on to off and back to on to confirm the pairing. Repeat these steps for any additional fobs you want to program, remembering that up to 8 fobs can be programmed to one vehicle. Always use genuine GM fobs to avoid security risks. Remember, attempting to program a stolen fob is illegal and could immobilize your vehicle.